Greetings again, everyone. Farmer Andrew here, back with another video on the farm. I'm going to give you an update of the pumpkins that are on the farm. Nowadays, now is the time that pumpkin and green bananas and plantain go home. What I mean go home, they are not in effect right now. So people who have pumpkin now, pumpkin is going to go up in price. Bananas is going to go up in price, but you're not going to get any really good quality. But nevertheless, I have a few pumpkin on the farm, and I'm going to show you the update as to what is happening with this pumpkin. So we have some little ones here in the bush. We have to really look good. Yeah, we have 1 and 2 pumpkin. Then we have the bee visiting the pumpkin hole in the flower. I'm going to go through and search for some of the pumpkin. See, we have pumpkin, we have some being rot, and some that are there. But we give thanks. 1 and 2 pumpkin are come there, see. And it is here all over, people. We have pumpkin. And just to let you know, we're in between the corn. And it seems as if something went on right here. You're gonna look like somebody was here. Maybe one of the workers, I don't know. But they went this way. That looks suspicious. And people have pumpkin all through the corn. Alright, we also have some pumpkin that was planted late over on this side. Well, I can see that somebody was here. Going through. Over on this side. Let's go. This is a very dangerous tree. Them call it kashamaka. If one of these things juke you or prick your people, you might have to end up in the hospital. So you have to be careful how you trod through your journey. Now we are here and we're still looking for pumpkin plants. At the same time I have to be careful because there's a lot of little surprises in Mother Nature. And I don't want to get any unexpected surprises, or every surprise is unexpected though. But yes, like I said, I have to look careful because we have some trenches in here. See, this is a surprise that I didn't want. This is a water hole. Right here in the middle of the farm we have a water hole. Alright. We use this tree to mark it. We know where it's at. And around the water hole we have some trenches. See, trench run from up there come down. And trench run from up there come down. Now I am looking for some pumpkin plants. And they are here, as you can see. I found one right here. There's a lot of bush around it. Can't get it from bush, you know, people. Here's one of the ones that were planted late. So it's a situation, people, where we have to keep supplying our market for pumpkin. This is a lot of pumpkin. See another hole right here with pumpkin. And when we can't get pumpkin, we have to look pumpkin to buy from other farmers. One more pumpkin hole right there. There was one right there, but nothing seemed to be in it. Something eat the young pumpkin plant. I think there was one right here too. Something had that to eat also. So we have to be looking out for. These are the things that prey on the pumpkin plant seed. There's no pumpkin in this hole. Pumpkin is gone. Something has passed through. You know, because we do so much farming and sometimes some of the things slip under the crack. But nevertheless, nice plant in there. Alright. Still looking for pumpkin. So we have some coming over from over by the carrots right there. So also another pumpkin hole. Oh, this is one. This one is coming on. Yes. And more pumpkin. I have some more down here, as you can see right here. Pumpkin. Have more pumpkin here. This one starts spreading. Nice. Nothing is attacking this one. Have more pumpkin here. Pumpkin there. It's a pumpkin thing. Enough pumpkin. A lot of pumpkin. Have pumpkin. We have plantain. Yes. Aye. Now this is my little border right here. I do not cross this border. Somebody has planted carrot over here. As you can see, somebody has planted carrot. And that's a soak away down there that some of the water run under the rock. There's a big rock right there. This is somebody else's farm. Alright. Now let's walk along my line right here. Planting. Got more pumpkin here. Got more pumpkin plant here. More pumpkin there. Oh, this is a bamboo root. More pumpkin. Pumpkin again. Feel like some of them pumpkin here, you know. We're gonna run down in the hole there. There's a soak away there, and we have another pumpkin plant right there. So we plant pumpkin all over the place. All over. More pumpkin. Coming from up there, we have pumpkin. Pumpkin is missing from that hole. None there. One more pumpkin right here. And more pumpkin. pumpkin them nice. Those have couple roots, few roots, but so it gonna people. When you're planting, you have to expect the unexpected. So do not hold your hand or hold back whenever you're planting, because some of the things Mother Nature will devour, and then some of the things Mother Nature will bring forth. Alright. One more root there. One more root here. One more root up here. And this is the bush right here. We have pumpkins in between it. See there? One plant there. Another plant right here. I have to be careful now because there's some trenches. And I'm pretty sure that there's pumpkin between. Or we lose some of the plants, as I already told you. But we are looking still to ensure that we don't lose too many. Right? See, this one look healthy. Stretching all the way down. Oh, look between here. We have a pumpkin between here. We have a pumpkin between here, see? Pumpkin. All the soup vendors who come to here. All the institutions who cook soup are coming to you. There's a pumpkin right here. Feel like I'm around 8 pounds. And some of the pumpkins got lost. One more here. More pumpkin. Pumpkin again. One more root of pumpkin right there. Pumpkin for days, people. Now, we're up on our sweet potato patch right here. And I know we have pumpkin in between. There you go. So again, peeps, we have to give thanks to the universe, thanks to Jah, for providing us with such fruitful crops, you know. And oh gosh, look at this one here, peeps. This one stayed here and it got rotten. Very big pumpkin, you know. As we say, sometimes things have to spoil. That's how farming is. And when it's spoiled, it goes back to the earth. Give nutrients to the earth, so we don't mind. Alright? Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give you an update on the sweet potato. How they're progressing. As you can see, the yellow leaves in between, they are pumpkin. And pumpkin is going out of season now over here. And the pumpkin that we just planted, they're over there with the plantains. Alright? Listen to the birds. Anybody know what that is? The traditional Jamaican drum crow. It's flying over. Oh, Mr. Drum crow. So once again, I appreciate you coming on the farm again with me, looking at the progress of the farm. Bless up yourself. And I always say this, put your heart in anything that you do, the outcome is going to be fruitful. Alright? So with all that said, people, thank you for journeying with me to the pumpkin. patch and we give thanks. Bless up yourself and have a productive day.